Hey there. Welcome to our channel. We're so glad you're here. Please like, share, and subscribe to join us for awesome content. Also share this video with your family and friends. Let's get started. As you lie still, feeling the soft weight of the blankets, allow your mind to drift inward, past the surface of your skin, beyond the familiar landscape of your bones and muscles. Imagine a different kind of world, one that exists within you, vast and vibrant, yet utterly silent to your waking ears. This is not a dream, but a subtle truth, a hidden garden cultivated deep within the winding pathways of your being. Feel your chest gently rise and fall, a slow, steady rhythm. With each soft breath, picture a delicate ecosystem, a bustling metropolis of life that you carry everywhere you go. It is a world teeming with billions upon billions of microscopic inhabitants, tiny bacteria, fungi, and other invisible entities, collectively known as your microbiome. Think of it as your body's most intimate and enduring companion, a living, breathing tapestry woven into your very existence. This garden is not visible to the naked eye, yet its presence is profound. It stretches through your digestive system, a winding river where these minuscule beings find their homes. From the moment you drew your first breath, this internal landscape began to form, influenced by your earliest experiences, the air you breathed, and the food you tasted. It is a legacy carried from your earliest days, a complex inheritance that continues to evolve with every single moment of your life. As you settle deeper into your pillow, imagine the sheer number of these tiny residents. There are more of them than stars in a clear night sky, more than grains of sand on many beaches. For every cell that makes up your own magnificent body, there are estimated to be at least as many, if not more, microbial cells thriving within you. This realization can be both humbling and utterly wondrous. You are not simply an individual, but an entire living world, a walking, breathing planet. What do these tiny beings do, you might softly wonder? They are far from passive passengers. Within this hidden garden, they are constantly at work, performing countless invisible tasks that contribute to your very being. Think of them as diligent gardeners, tending to the soil, processing nutrients, and sending out delicate signals throughout your internal landscape. They are deeply involved in the quiet architecture of your health, from the food you digest to the strength of your defenses. Imagine a bustling marketplace, a vibrant community where different species of bacteria live side by side. Some are like tiny farmers breaking down the complex fibers from your food that your own human cells cannot process. They ferment, they transform, they release valuable compounds that your body then absorbs, turning what might otherwise be waste into vital nourishment. This is a quiet, continuous alchemy happening within you, all the time, without your conscious effort. Other inhabitants of this garden are like vigilant guardians. They stand sentinel, protecting the delicate lining of your gut, ensuring that only beneficial substances pass into your bloodstream. They act as a natural barrier, a gentle filter, helping to keep out unwelcome visitors and maintain the integrity of your internal environment. This unseen shield is a fundamental part of your immunity, quietly working to keep you safe and whole. And then there are the communicators, the tiny messengers. These microscopic beings produce chemicals, little molecules that travel far beyond the confines of your gut. They journey through your bloodstream, influencing distant organs, even reaching the furthest corners of your brain. This intricate communication network forms a bridge between your inner garden and your outer experience, subtly shaping how you feel, how you react, and how you perceive the world around you. As your mind embraces this quiet marvel, understand that this garden is unique to you. Just as no two human fingerprints are exactly alike, no two microbiomes are precisely the same. Yours is shaped by your genetics, your diet, your environment, and even the paths you walk. It is a deeply personal ecosystem, evolving and adapting, a living reflection of your life's journey. There is no need to understand every detail, no need to grasp every scientific name. Simply feel the presence of this inner world, this complex and beautiful community. It is a part of you, as much as your heart or your lungs, though it often remains unseen, unheard. Its existence is a testament to the intricate wonders of life, how even the smallest components contribute to the grand design. Let the image of this hidden garden settle within you, a place of quiet activity and profound influence. It is a space of continuous discovery, an invitation to wonder about the life that exists just beneath the surface of your awareness. As you prepare to drift further, know that this inner world is always working, always evolving. Tomorrow, we will explore how these tiny inhabitants, these whispers of life, connect to something even more vast within you, how they resonate like the stars, creating their own silent symphony. Close your eyes and feel the gentle hum of life within, a universe of microbes echoing the stars above. Each one plays a part in your delicate internal balance, a silent chorus of cells working in harmony. You are a living galaxy, intricately connected to every tiny inhabitant. Feel the quiet, profound presence of this inner cosmos. As your breath continues its soft, steady rhythm, deepening with each exhale, allow your eyelids to feel heavy, gently closing out the world beyond. In this stillness, turn your awareness once more to the quiet realm within. Last night, we touched upon the hidden garden, the teeming life of your microbiome. Tonight, let us listen more closely to its whispers, imagining a universe of microbes that mirrors the vast, star-strewn cosmos above. Feel that gentle hum, not as a sound, but as a subtle vibration of life itself, resonating through your very core. Just as distant galaxies hold countless stars, each shining with its own light, your inner world contains billions of microscopic beings, each contributing its unique sparkle to your existence. You are, in essence, a living galaxy, a dynamic, evolving system where every tiny inhabitant plays an irreplaceable part in a delicate, beautiful balance. Picture the night sky, infinite and serene, dotted with countless pinpricks of light. Each star, each planet, each celestial body holds its place, governed by unseen forces, contributing to the grand, silent dance of the universe. In a similar way, the microbes within you, though invisible, are governed by an intricate web of interactions, a silent chorus of cells working in profound harmony. They are not random. They are organized, purposeful, and deeply connected to your well-being. Consider the concept of balance. In the cosmos, planets maintain their orbits, stars burn steadily, and nebulae swirl in graceful equilibrium. When this balance is disrupted, celestial events unfold. Within your inner cosmos, a similar equilibrium is vital. When your microbial community is diverse and balanced, like a thriving ecosystem, it contributes to your inner calm and resilience. Each species, from the most abundant to the rarest, plays its part in maintaining this delicate state of grace. Some of these microscopic citizens are like ancient, wise astronomers, observing the conditions within your gut and adjusting their activities accordingly. They detect shifts in acidity, the presence of certain nutrients, or even subtle changes in your internal environment. Their responses are immediate and precise, ensuring that the conditions remain optimal for the entire community, and by extension, for you. Others are like tiny builders of constellations, arranging complex molecules, forming new compounds from the raw materials you provide. They are constantly synthesizing, transforming, and creating. Think of the vitamins they produce, essential nutrients that your own body cannot make on its own. These are true gifts from your inner cosmos, little sparks of vitality generated by your microscopic companions. They are like distant stars, quietly providing light and energy to your inner universe. As you breathe, imagine waves of calm washing over you, and with each wave, a deeper appreciation for this interconnectedness. Your gut, with its vast microbial population, is not a separate entity but an integrated part of you. It is constantly communicating with your larger self, sending up signals that influence your digestion, your energy levels, and even the subtle nuances of your mood. These are the gentle whispers of the inner cosmos, speaking to the whole of your being. This concept of an inner cosmos suggests a profound order, a natural intelligence at play. It's not just chaos or random activity. It's a highly organized, self-regulating system. Just as the universe expands and contracts, changing over eons, your microbiome adapts and shifts with your life's journey. It responds to what you eat, where you live, how you feel, and even the quality of your sleep. It is a dynamic, living reflection of your experiences. Feel the quiet, profound presence of this inner cosmos within you. It is a reminder that you are a complex and wondrous being, capable of sustaining an entire hidden world. This thought, vast yet intimate, can bring a sense of comfort and awe. You are a microcosm of the universe, and the universe is a macrocosm of you. The principles of balance, interconnectedness, and quiet activity hold true on both scales. Let your awareness expand gently to encompass this idea. You are not alone in your body. You are a bustling planet, a vibrant home to countless lives, all working in a cooperative dance. This collaboration is so seamless, so integrated, that you rarely perceive it directly. Yet, its influence is continuous and deeply felt. As you drift closer to sleep, remember this profound connection. You are a living galaxy, intricately connected to every tiny inhabitant, and every tiny inhabitant is connected to you. This knowledge can bring a sense of peace, a feeling of being whole and interconnected. Tonight, as sleep cradles you, imagine these trillions of tiny beings, humming their quiet song, contributing to your internal harmony. Tomorrow, we will explore this silent chorus further, listening to the intricate melody they play, a grand symphony of life unfolding within you. Imagine your gut as a grand concert hall, where millions of microscopic musicians perform their daily tasks. They decompose, they transform, they nourish, creating a beautiful, silent symphony that orchestrates your digestion and much more. Listen closely to the soft rhythms of this inner orchestration. Plays a melody of well-being, just for you. As you sink deeper into the gentle embrace of your bed, let your mind drift from the vast inner cosmos we explored last night. Tonight, let us refine that image, bringing it closer into a more intimate space within you. Imagine your gut, the long, winding pathways beneath your diaphragm, not as a mere tube for digestion, but as a grand, silent concert hall. Here, millions upon millions of microscopic musicians are gathered, each performing their daily tasks, creating a beautiful, intricate, and utterly silent symphony of life. Feel the quietude around you, the absence of jarring sounds, allowing your inner ear to perceive this unseen performance. In this wondrous hall, every tiny bacterium, every yeast, every living cell within your microbiome is a dedicated performer, playing its unique part. There are no trumpets or drums here, no grand piano or soaring violins. Instead, the music is woven from chemical reactions, from metabolic processes, from the very essence of transformation and nourishment. Picture the first movement beginning, the entrance of the food you have consumed today. For your human body, some of this food is complex, too large, or too resilient to be fully broken down on its own. This is where the first section of our orchestra comes alive. These decomposers are like the steady rhythm section, the bass and percussion. They specialize in breaking down complex carbohydrates and fibers, parts of plants that your own enzymes cannot touch. They work tirelessly, fermenting and dismantling, turning these intricate structures into simpler, more usable forms. Then, another section joins in the transformers. These are like the melodic instruments creating new harmonies. As the decomposers break down the initial food, the transformers take these newly liberated compounds and reshape them. They might create short-chain fatty acids, crucial molecules that nourish the cells lining your gut, or signal to your immune system. They might produce essential B vitamins or even vitamin K, nutrients that are vital for your energy, your blood clotting, and so much more. This is chemistry as pure art, a silent ballet of molecular change. Listen closely, in your imagination, to the soft rhythms of this inner orchestration. It's not a loud, boisterous sound, but a continuous, gentle hum of activity. Each microbial species has its favorite note to play, its preferred instrument for digestion. Some excel at breaking down certain sugars, others at processing specific proteins. Their diversity is like the richness of an entire orchestra, where different sections contribute their unique timbre, creating a full and resonant sound. When this symphony is in harmony, the music flows effortlessly. Your digestion feels smooth, your energy is steady, and a sense of internal well-being washes over you. The processes of assimilation and elimination occur with ease, a testament to the elegant dance orchestrated by your microbial friends. They help regulate the speed at which food moves through your system, ensuring that neither too quickly nor too slowly, it passes through this grand concert hall. But what happens if a few musicians are missing, or if one section plays too loudly, disrupting the delicate balance? The symphony can become discordant. This is why diversity is so crucial within your gut microbiome. A rich variety of species ensures that all the notes are covered, that the orchestra can adapt to different scores. The different foods you eat, the stresses you encounter. It's about having a full complement of players, ready to perform their part in perfect synchronicity. Imagine the principal conductor of this orchestra. It is the environment you create within your gut, shaped by your diet and lifestyle. When you provide the right sheet music, a diverse range of plant-based foods, plenty of fiber, and minimal processed ingredients, the musicians thrive. They play their best, contributing to a vibrant and resonant performance. When the conductor is gentle and nurturing, the symphony flourishes. This silent symphony orchestrates your digestion. Yes, but its influence extends far beyond. It plays a melody of well-being that permeates your entire being. The chemicals these tiny musicians produce can affect your brain, influencing your mood, your sleep patterns, and even your thoughts. The signals they send can modulate your immune system, teaching it what to fight and what to accept, like a gentle trainer guiding a young protege. Feel how profound this thought is. That within you, constantly, a beautiful unseen concert is taking place, a testament to the intricate interconnectedness of life. These silent performers are diligently working night and day, ensuring your internal harmony. Their music is the very rhythm of your health. As you drift now, let the idea of this silent symphony settle over you, a lullaby played just for you by your internal orchestra. Their quiet, continuous work is a source of profound comfort, and as their music softly fades into the background of your awareness, know that their influence extends in ways you might not yet imagine, whispering secrets beyond the realm of digestion, hinting at deeper connections. It's more than just digestion. Your gut whispers secrets to your mind, influencing your mood, your thoughts, your very sense of self. This profound connection, often unseen, weaves a tapestry between your inner world and your outer experience. We explore how these tiny architects communicate with your deepest self, a gentle, guiding force. Drift with this understanding as thoughts quiet down. As you float deeper into this realm of gentle slumber, let the echoes of the silent symphony within you softly fade. Last night, we imagined your gut as a grand concert hall, where microscopic musicians played their part in the rhythm of your digestion. Tonight, we journey beyond that familiar understanding, past the veil of the belly, to discover a connection far more profound. How your gut whispers secrets to your mind, influencing the very landscape of your thoughts and feelings. Close your eyes and feel the soft weight of your head on the pillow. It's natural to think of your brain as the sole command center, the seat of all your emotions and decisions. Yet, there is a vast, intricate network of neurons, a second brain, residing within your gut. This enteric nervous system, as it is known, is not merely a relay station for digestive commands. It's a sophisticated intelligence, weaving a silent, continuous conversation with the brain in your skull. Imagine a secret garden path, leading from your belly directly to your mind. This is the vagus nerve, a major communication highway, a two-way street for subtle signals and chemical messages. It's like an ancient river, flowing both upstream and downstream, carrying information about your inner state to your brain, and bringing down messages from your brain to your gut. This constant exchange means that your gut isn't just reacting to what you think. It's also influencing how you feel and what you perceive. Consider how often you might have felt butterflies in your stomach before a big event, or a gut feeling about a decision. These are not just figures of speech. They are tangible manifestations of this deep, almost mystical connection. Your gut responds to stress, to joy, to fear, and it communicates these sensations back to your brain, subtly coloring your emotional landscape. It's as if your stomach has its own quiet intuition, a deep well of instinctual knowledge. The microscopic inhabitants of your hidden garden, those trillions of bacteria, are also key players in this profound dialogue. They are like tiny alchemists, producing a remarkable array of neurochemicals, substances that directly affect your brain. Imagine these chemicals as miniature messengers, traveling from your gut to your brain, where they interact with your neurons. Some are familiar, like serotonin, often called the happiness hormone. A significant portion of your body's serotonin is actually produced in your gut, not in your brain. This means that the well-being of your gut microbiome can directly influence your mood, your feelings of contentment, or even quiet anxiety. When your inner garden flourishes, these tiny architects create more of these calming and mood-lifting compounds. When the balance is disturbed, fewer might be produced or different signals might be sent, subtly shifting your internal emotional climate. It's a delicate dance of biochemistry that unfolds quietly within you, influencing your inner peace. Think of it as a subtle influencing force, a gentle current beneath the surface of your conscious thoughts. Your gut, with its bacterial residence, can modulate your stress response, influencing how calmly you react to the world. It can even affect your sleep cycles, guiding you towards more restful nights or, when out of sync, contributing to restlessness. These tiny beings, unseen and unheard, are truly communicating with your deepest self, acting as a gentle, guiding force for your overall state of being. This profound connection means that taking care of your gut is akin to taking care of your mind. Nourishing your microbiome is a gentle act of self-care that extends beyond mere physical comfort. It's an act that supports your emotional resilience, your cognitive clarity, and your overall sense of peace. It's about recognizing that the health of your inner garden has far-reaching implications, touching every aspect of your being. As you drift with this understanding, allow any busy thoughts to quiet down. There is a deep, inherent wisdom in your body, a silent conversation always taking place between your gut and your brain. You are a unified system, a beautifully integrated whole, where every part influences the other. This recognition can bring a sense of profound integration, a feeling of being completely and harmoniously connected within yourself. Let the image of this intricate dialogue settle softly in your awareness. Your gut is not just processing food. It is processing feelings, sending and receiving signals, and participating actively in the ongoing narrative of your life. It is a source of silent insight, a profound partner in your journey of self-discovery. As your sleep deepens now, cherish this quiet wisdom within. Tomorrow, we will turn our attention to the meticulous work of these tiny architects themselves, those who construct and maintain the delicate boundaries within your hidden garden, protecting the very essence of your internal fortress. Within you reside master builders, microscopic engineers who construct and maintain the delicate lining of your gut. They protect, they repair, they allow nutrients to pass, ensuring your internal fortress remains strong and permeable only when it should be. Feel the silent, constant work of these diligent guardians. They tirelessly support your inner peace and strength. As you rest even more deeply, enveloped in the quiet stillness, let your awareness gently shift from the profound conversations between your gut and your brain. Tonight, we will journey to a more precise location within your hidden garden, focusing on the meticulous work of some very special inhabitants, the gut's gentle architects. These are the microscopic engineers who tirelessly construct, maintain, and protect the delicate, yet vital, lining of your gut. Imagine, if you will, the inner surface of your digestive tract, not as a simple tube, but as an exquisitely designed wall, a living, breathing barrier between the vast outer world, represented by the food you eat, and your precious internal landscape. This wall is incredibly thin, just one cell layer thick, yet it is responsible for the enormous task of deciding what enters your bloodstream and what remains outside. It is your internal fortress, and it requires constant, diligent care. Picture master builders, tiny but mighty, working in endless shifts along this inner wall. These are specific types of beneficial bacteria, quietly toiling away. Their primary task is to ensure the integrity of this single-cell barrier. They are like skilled masons, constantly inspecting the bricks and mortar, patching any tiny gaps, and reinforcing the structure. They understand the crucial balance. This wall must be strong enough to keep out unwanted substances, yet permeable enough to allow vital nutrients to pass through. How do they do this, these unseen construction workers? One of their most remarkable contributions is the production of a special, protective layer of mucus. Imagine this mucus as a soft, shimmering blanket spread over the delicate cells that line your gut. It's not just any blanket. It's a living, breathing shield, filled with immune molecules and acting as the first line of defense against anything potentially harmful. Your gentle architects play a key role in stimulating the production and maintenance of this very blanket. Think of it this way. The cells of your gut lining are like the precious, fertile soil of your inner garden. This mucus layer is the protective topsoil, safeguarding the delicate roots beneath. And the beneficial bacteria within your microbiome are like the natural ecosystem that nurtures this topsoil, making sure it's rich, thick, and resilient. They feed on certain components of this mucus, and in return, they stimulate the cells to produce even more, creating a beautiful reciprocal relationship. These microscopic engineers also communicate directly with the cells of your gut lining, encouraging them to form strong, tight junctions with each other. Imagine these junctions as tiny molecular zippers, holding the individual cells snugly together. When these zippers are tightly fastened, only specifically selected molecules can pass through, ensuring that your internal fortress remains secure. When these connections become loose, undesirable substances might slip into your bloodstream, potentially triggering irritation or unwanted responses throughout your body. Your gut architects are like diligent quality control inspectors, making sure those zippers are always secure. Beyond building and maintaining, these tiny guardians also act as vigilant sentinels. They stand guard, interacting with your immune system, which has a significant presence right beneath this single-cell barrier. Your gut microbes help educate your immune cells, teaching them the difference between friend and foe, between a harmless food particle and a potential threat. It's a sophisticated training program happening continuously, ensuring your body's defenses are sharp but not overreactive. Feel the silent, constant work of these diligent guardians. They are tireless, working through your waking hours and deep into your slumber. Their labor supports your inner peace and strength, ensuring that your body can absorb the goodness from your food, while remaining protected from what could cause discomfort. Their presence contributes to a feeling of wholeness, a deep sense of security within your own being. Imagine the gentle hum of their activity, the subtle, energetic exchange as they maintain this vital barrier. When your microbiome is thriving, these architects are well-fed and numerous, and they perform their tasks with quiet efficiency. The gut lining remains strong, resilient, and selective, allowing for optimal nutrient absorption and preventing unwelcome intrusions. This creates a foundation of profound internal health, from which all other bodily systems can flourish. This profound work reminds us that your body is not simply a container, but an intricate, self-regulating marvel. The ability of these microscopic beings to maintain such a critical barrier highlights the incredible interdependence of life within you. You provide them a home, and in return, they offer their ceaseless care and protection, acting as your most devoted internal custodians. As your thoughts quiet down even more, allow a sense of gratitude to wash over you for these tiny, powerful beings. They are the silent pillars of your internal strength, ensuring the integrity of your inner world. Tomorrow, we will explore another equally profound partnership, the constant conversations that take place between the gut's immense intelligence and the brain in your head, a continuous dialogue that shapes who you are. Consider the two remarkable brains within you, the one in your skull and the vast, intricate network in your gut. They are in constant conversation, a two-way street of chemical messages and subtle signals, shaping your emotional landscape and even your decisions. Listen to their quiet dialogue, a dance of understanding. This inner wisdom guides you softly to rest. As you sink into the deepest layers of comfort, wrapped in the warmth of your covers, let your awareness settle on a most extraordinary dialogue happening within you. Last night, we marveled at the gut's gentle architects, tirelessly building and maintaining your internal fortress. Tonight, we listen closely to the whispers that transcend even these boundaries, exploring the constant, profound conversations that take place between the two remarkable brains you possess. The one nestled securely in your skull, and the vast, intricate network residing in your gut. Imagine them as two ancient, wise elders, seated across a great divide, yet linked by an invisible, humming thread. The brain in your head is the one you consciously know, the seat of your thoughts, your memories, your conscious will. Loving this? Hit that subscribe button to keep up with our videos. Also share this video with your family and friends. But the second brain, the enteric nervous system, ENS, woven throughout the walls of your entire digestive tract, is equally profound, though it operates largely beneath the surface of your conscious mind. This isn't just a metaphor. It's a profound physiological reality. Your gut truly has a mind of its own, capable of complex processing, learning, and remembering. The bridge connecting these two centers of wisdom is primarily the vagus nerve, a remarkable meandering pathway that acts like a superhighway of information. Think of it as a fiber optic cable, dense with countless tiny lines, carrying messages back and forth, 24 hours a day. The majority of these messages travel from your gut up to your brain, not the other way around. This means your gut is constantly providing your conscious mind with vital updates about your internal state, influencing how you feel, what you crave, and even how you interpret the world. Consider a time when you felt a sudden sense of dread or excitement, seemingly without reason. Sometimes, these deep, instinctual feelings arise from your gut, triggered by the silent signals sent along this nerve pathway. Your gut senses something, processes it at a subconscious level, and then sends a swift, almost intuitive message to your emotional centers in the brain. Imagine, if you will, the inner surface of your digestive tract, not as a simple tube, but as an exquisitely designed wall, a living, breathing barrier between the vast outer world, represented by the food you eat, and your precious internal landscape. This wall is incredibly thin, just one cell layer thick, yet it is responsible for the enormous task of deciding what enters your bloodstream and what remains outside. It is your internal fortress, and it requires constant, diligent care. Picture master builders, tiny but mighty, working in endless shifts along this inner wall. These are specific types of beneficial bacteria, quietly toiling away. Their primary task is to ensure the integrity of this single-cell barrier. They are like skilled masons, constantly inspecting the bricks and mortar, patching any tiny gaps, and reinforcing the structure. They understand the crucial balance. This wall must be strong enough to keep out unwanted substances, yet permeable enough to allow vital nutrients to pass through. How do they do this, these unseen construction workers? One of their most remarkable contributions is the production of a special, protective layer of mucus. Imagine this mucus as a soft, shimmering blanket, spread over the delicate cells that line your gut. It's not just any blanket. It's a living, breathing shield, filled with immune molecules and acting as the first line of defense against anything potentially harmful. Your gentle architects play a key role in stimulating the production and maintenance of this very blanket. Think of it this way. The cells of your gut lining are like the precious, fertile soil of your inner garden. This mucus layer is the protective topsoil, safeguarding the delicate roots beneath. And the beneficial bacteria within your microbiome are like the natural ecosystem that nurtures this topsoil, making sure it's rich, thick, and resilient. They feed on certain components of this mucus, and in return, they stimulate the cells to produce even more, creating a beautiful reciprocal relationship. These microscopic engineers also communicate directly with the cells of your gut lining, encouraging them to form strong, tight junctions with each other. Imagine these junctions as tiny molecular zippers, holding the individual cells snugly together. When these zippers are tightly fastened, only specifically selected molecules can pass through, ensuring that your internal fortress remains secure. When these connections become loose, undesirable substances might slip into your bloodstream, potentially triggering irritation or unwanted responses throughout your body. Your gut architects are like diligent quality control inspectors, making sure those zippers are always secure. Beyond building and maintaining, these tiny guardians also act as vigilant sentinels. They stand guard, interacting with your immune system, which has a significant presence right beneath this single-cell barrier. Your gut microbes help educate your immune cells, teaching them the difference between friend and foe, between a harmless food particle and a potential threat. It's a sophisticated training program happening continuously, ensuring your body's defenses are sharp but not overreactive. Feel the silent, constant work of these diligent guardians. They are tireless, working through your waking hours and deep into your slumber. Their labor supports your inner peace and strength, ensuring that your body can absorb the goodness from your food, while remaining protected from what could cause discomfort. Their presence contributes to a feeling of wholeness, a deep sense of security within your own being. Imagine the gentle hum of their activity, the subtle, energetic exchange as they maintain this vital barrier. When your microbiome is thriving, these architects are well-fed and numerous, and they perform their tasks with quiet efficiency. The gut lining remains strong, resilient, and selective, allowing for optimal nutrient absorption and preventing unwelcome intrusions. This creates a foundation of profound internal health, from which all other bodily systems can flourish. This profound work reminds us that your body is not simply a container, but an intricate, self-regulating marvel. The ability of these microscopic beings to maintain such a critical barrier highlights the incredible interdependence of life within you. You provide them a home, and in return, they offer their ceaseless care and protection, acting as your most devoted internal custodians. As your thoughts quiet down even more, allow a sense of gratitude to wash over you for these tiny, powerful beings. They are the silent pillars of your internal strength, ensuring the integrity of your inner world. Tomorrow, we will explore another equally profound partnership, the constant conversations that take place between the gut's immense intelligence and the brain in your head, a continuous dialogue that shapes who you are. Consider the two remarkable brains within you, the one in your skull and the vast, intricate network in your gut. They are in constant conversation, a two-way street of chemical messages and subtle signals, shaping your emotional landscape and even your decisions. Listen to their quiet dialogue, a dance of understanding. This inner wisdom guides you softly to rest. As you sink into the deepest layers of comfort, wrapped in the warmth of your covers, let your awareness settle on a most extraordinary dialogue happening within you. Last night, we marveled at the gut's gentle architects, tirelessly building and maintaining your internal fortress. Tonight, we listen closely to the whispers that transcend even these boundaries, exploring the constant, profound conversations that take place between the two remarkable brains you possess. The one nestled securely in your skull, and the vast, intricate network residing in your gut. Imagine them as two ancient, wise elders, seated across a great divide, yet linked by an invisible, humming thread. The brain in your head is the one you consciously know, the seat of your thoughts, your memories, your conscious will. Loving this? Hit that subscribe button to keep up with our videos. Also share this video with your family and friends. But the second brain, the enteric nervous system, ENS, woven throughout the walls of your entire digestive tract, is equally profound, though it operates largely beneath the surface of your conscious mind. This isn't just a metaphor. It's a profound physiological reality. Your gut truly has a mind of its own, capable of complex processing, learning, and remembering. The bridge connecting these two centers of wisdom is primarily the vagus nerve, a remarkable, meandering pathway that acts like a superhighway of information. Think of it as a fiber optic cable, dense with countless tiny lines, carrying messages back and forth, 24 hours a day. The majority of these messages travel from your gut up to your brain, not the other way around. This means your gut is constantly providing your conscious mind with vital updates about your internal state, influencing how you feel, what you crave, and even how you interpret the world. Consider a time when you felt a sudden sense of dread or excitement, seemingly without reason. Sometimes, these deep, instinctual feelings arise from your gut, triggered by the silent signals sent along this nerve pathway. Your gut senses something, processes it at a subconscious level, and then sends a swift, almost intuitive message to your emotional centers in the brain. Your microbiome communicates its needs to you through subtle signals, perhaps a feeling of lightness, or a quiet sense of digestive ease. By listening to your body's signals and making mindful choices, you engage in a continuous, loving dialogue with your inner world. Feel the profound sense of agency in this thought. You hold the power to nourish this precious inner ecosystem, to help it flourish and thrive. This knowledge brings a quiet confidence, a connection to the natural cycles within you. With every breath, nurture this vital garden, allowing its abundance to support your entire being. As sleep embraces you more fully now, carry this comforting thought, that you are actively participating in the health of your hidden garden. And as this vibrant inner world continues its quiet work, remember that these tiny, unseen beings are not just digesting your food. They are tirelessly weaving the very fabric of your well-being, contributing to your health in ways we are only just beginning to understand. These invisible companions contribute to your vitality in countless ways, from producing essential vitamins to training your immune system. They are the unseen weavers of your well-being, stitching together threads of health and resilience deep within your core. Appreciate their tireless work for you, a silent, devoted service. Feel their gentle embrace as sleep descends. As you now rest in a profound state of tranquility, the gentle currents of sleep drawing you deeper, let us expand our understanding of the hidden garden within. Last night, we recognized your role as the tender gardener, nourishing your inner ecosystem with mindful choices. Tonight, we illuminate the vast and varied contributions of these tiny, invisible companions, who are truly the unseen weavers of your well-being, stitching together threads of health and resilience deep within your core. Imagine a grand tapestry, shimmering with countless threads, each one representing a different aspect of your vitality. Your microbiome, that bustling community of microbes, is constantly at work, adding new threads, mending old ones, and ensuring the strength and beauty of this intricate fabric. Their service is silent, continuous, and profoundly impactful, reaching into corners of your health you might never have consciously considered. One of their most remarkable contributions is their role as miniature chemical factories, producing essential compounds that your own body cannot create. Think of them as tiny alchemists, tirelessly transforming simple substances into golden elixirs. For instance, certain gut bacteria are vital for synthesizing B vitamins, a whole family of nutrients crucial for your energy production, nerve function, and cell health. Without these microscopic helpers, your body would struggle to access these fundamental building blocks of life. Even more fascinating is their part in producing vitamin K, particularly vitamin K2. While vitamin K1 comes from green leafy vegetables, K2, which is important for bone health and proper blood clotting, is primarily synthesized by certain bacteria in your gut. So, as you drift, appreciate that these invisible companions are quite literally contributing to the strength of your bones and the integrity of your blood, quietly safeguarding your physical structure. Beyond producing vital nutrients, your gut microbiome plays an extraordinary role in training and maintaining your immune system. Imagine your immune system as a sophisticated army, constantly on patrol, distinguishing between friends and foes. A significant portion of your immune cells reside right beneath the delicate lining of your gut, making this inner garden a primary training ground. Your gut microbes are like wise drill sergeants, guiding your immune cells, teaching them what to respond to and what to ignore. This constant interaction helps to fine-tune your immune response, preventing it from being either overactive, leading to unwanted inflammation or autoimmune responses, or underactive, leaving you vulnerable. When your microbiome is diverse and balanced, it sends clear, helpful signals to your immune system, fostering a state of calm alertness. This means your invisible companions are actively contributing to your resilience against illness, silently fortifying your defenses day and night. Consider also their influence on your metabolism. These tiny weavers help regulate how your body extracts energy from food, how it stores fat, and how sensitive your cells are to insulin. Certain microbial communities can be more efficient at extracting calories from your diet, while others can help regulate your blood sugar levels. This intricate dance means your gut microbes subtly influence your energy levels throughout the day, and even your body's long-term metabolic health. They also play a role in detoxification. Some beneficial bacteria can help neutralize harmful compounds that enter your body, breaking them down before they can cause mischief. Think of them as tiny waste management systems, diligently cleaning and purifying your internal environment, contributing to your body's overall clarity and well-being. Appreciate their tireless work for you, a silent, devoted service that unfolds beyond your conscious awareness. Every moment, these unseen weavers are diligently stitching together the threads of your health, from the unseen corners of vitamin production to the complex ballet of immune regulation. Their contributions are so fundamental, so integrated, that their absence or imbalance can ripple through your entire system. Feel their gentle embrace as sleep descends, knowing that this vast, collaborative effort is unfolding within you. This intricate web of life, from the production of vital compounds to the training of your immune system, is a testament to the profound interconnectedness of all living things. You are a masterpiece of biological cooperation. As you drift now, let a quiet sense of awe settle upon you for this continuous, silent work. Tomorrow, we will explore what happens when these threads are perfectly aligned, when all the unseen weavers are working in perfect synchronicity, creating a profound harmony in the microverse within you. A balanced microbiome is a harmonious one, a dance of diverse species living in gentle equilibrium. When this delicate balance is nurtured, your body flourishes, finding its rhythm and flow. Imagine the peaceful coexistence, mirroring the calm you seek tonight. All life within you finds its gentle, perfect balance. As you now surrender more deeply to the soft embrace of slumber, feeling the gentle undulations of your breath, allow your mind to journey from the tireless work of the unseen weavers within you. Last night, we appreciated their diverse contributions to your vitality. Tonight, let us envision the exquisite state when all these microscopic efforts align perfectly, when the myriad threads woven by your inner companions create a profound and sustaining harmony in the microverse within you. Imagine, if you will, a vast, ancient forest filled with countless species of trees, plants, animals, and fungi. Each living thing plays a unique role, from the towering oak providing shade to the tiny decomposers enriching the soil. When this forest is healthy, when its diversity is rich and its elements are balanced, it thrives. It can withstand storms, adapt to changes, and support abundant life. This forest is a living example of harmony, a delicate equilibrium where every part contributes to the well-being of the whole. Your gut microbiome is much like this forest. It is a complex ecosystem, a dance of diverse species living in gentle equilibrium. When this inner garden is balanced, it means there is a wide variety of microbial species present, and they are all thriving in appropriate numbers. No single group is dominating, no essential function is neglected. Instead, there is a cooperative spirit, a collective wisdom that ensures the continuous flow of health and vitality throughout your system. Think of it as a perfectly choreographed dance, where each microbe knows its steps, moves with grace, and respects the space of its partners. Some are breaking down fibers, others are producing vitamins, still others are sending chemical signals to your brain. In harmony, these individual contributions blend seamlessly, creating a unified, powerful rhythm that supports your body's natural functions. This is not a forced order, but an organic unfolding, a natural state of flourishing. When this delicate balance is nurtured, your body truly flourishes. Imagine a calm river, flowing smoothly and steadily. This is what it feels like when your gut microbiome is in harmony. Digestion becomes effortless, nutrient absorption is optimized, and signals between your gut and brain flow freely and clearly. The noise of discomfort or imbalance fades, replaced by a quiet hum of efficiency and well-being. This harmony within your microverse manifests in countless subtle ways. Perhaps you notice a greater sense of clarity in your thoughts, a feeling of emotional stability that feels deeply rooted. This is the influence of your balanced gut sending serene signals to your brain, fostering a tranquil mental landscape. Or perhaps you feel a quiet strength in your immune system, a resilience that allows you to move through the world with confidence, knowing your internal defenses are finely tuned and ready. This peaceful coexistence is a dynamic state, not a static one. Just as a forest adapts to changing seasons, your harmonious microbiome can gracefully adjust to the different foods you eat, the varied environments you encounter, and even the natural stresses of life. Its diversity provides a built-in resilience, an ability to gently bounce back and restore equilibrium, ensuring that its core rhythm remains unbroken. Imagine the sense of effortless flow, mirroring the calm you seek tonight. There's no internal struggle, no competing demands. Instead, there's a synchronized effort, where every microbial community contributes its unique strengths, and the result is a profound sense of inner peace. This harmony in your gut can reflect outward, helping you find your own rhythm and flow in your daily life, making you feel more connected to your own natural state of being. To nurture this harmony, remember your role as the gentle gardener. Continue to provide the diverse foods your microbes love, an abundance of colorful plant-based foods, plenty of fiber, and whole, unprocessed ingredients. These choices are like gentle acts of watering and tending, encouraging the flourishing of all the different species that make up your unique internal ecosystem. Feel this sense of gentle, perfect balance within all life within you. It is a profound truth that your body, with its billions of tiny inhabitants, is always striving for equilibrium, always seeking harmony. As you drift, let the quiet hum of this balanced microverse lull you into an even deeper state of peace. Sleep now, knowing that this extraordinary internal harmony is always at work, ceaselessly supporting your well-being. Tomorrow, as you gently emerge from sleep's embrace, we will awaken to the full wisdom of your very own second mind, a deeper understanding of this profound intelligence guiding your inner world. As our journey gently concludes, acknowledge the profound wisdom held within your gut, your very own second brain. It continuously processes, feels, and communicates, offering insights into your deepest self. Rest now, knowing this intelligent system watches over you, guiding your quiet inner world. Sleep soundly, connected to the incredible universe within. As you now settle into the very deepest quiet of your being, suspended between wakefulness and the soft currents of sleep, our shared journey into your inner cosmos gently draws to its close. We have wandered through the hidden garden, listened to the silent symphony, and witnessed the tireless work of the unseen weavers. Tonight, we arrive at the culmination of this exploration, acknowledging the profound, inherent wisdom held within your gut, your very own second brain. Feel the gentle hum of your body, a symphony of processes unfolding even as the world around you quiets. This second mind, the intricate network of neurons and the vast microbial community residing within your belly, is not merely a metaphor. It is a sophisticated intelligence, continuously processing, feeling, and communicating, offering subtle yet profound insights into your deepest self, guiding your quiet inner world. Imagine the second mind as an ancient, wise sage, dwelling within the temple of your body. It is constantly receiving information from every part of your internal landscape, interpreting signals about your nourishment, your stress levels, and the delicate balance of your inner ecosystem. It doesn't speak in words, but in sensations. A feeling of ease, a gentle flutter, a deep sense of intuition that guides you often without conscious thought. This wisdom is rooted in evolution, honed over countless generations. Long before the complex brain in your skull developed its capacity for abstract thought and language, your gut was processing the fundamental truths of survival: what to absorb, what to reject, how to respond to the environment. It is a primal intelligence, deeply connected to your most basic instincts, a reservoir of ancestral knowledge. Think of those moments when you've had a strong gut feeling about a person or a situation. Perhaps a sense of unease or a spontaneous pull towards a particular path. These are not always rational thoughts. Often, they are the subtle, unfiltered messages from your second mind, bypassing the logical filters of your cranial brain, speaking directly from a deeper, more embodied knowing. It's your internal compass subtly pointing the way. The trillions of microbes we've explored throughout our journey are integral to the awakening of this second mind. They are its diverse sensory organs, its tireless messengers, enriching its capacity to perceive and respond. They produce the very neurochemicals that allow your gut to communicate with your brain, shaping your emotional state, influencing your memory, and even subtly adjusting your perception of pain or pleasure. They are the unseen chorus that amplifies the wisdom of your enteric nervous system, Consider how your gut can influence your sense of courage or apprehension. When your inner garden is flourishing, when its symphony is in harmony, it sends signals of well-being and resilience. These signals can translate into a feeling of inner strength, a quiet confidence that allows you to face challenges with greater ease. Conversely, an imbalance in this delicate system can sometimes manifest as a subtle underlying anxiety, a feeling of unease that seems to originate from deep within. Rest now, knowing this intelligent system watches over you. Even as your conscious mind drifts into the realms of dreams, your second mind remains vigilant. It oversees the intricate dance of digestion, the precise absorption of nutrients, the continuous dialogue with your immune system. It processes the quiet chemistry of your inner world, ensuring that your body finds its deepest possible state of rest and renewal. This profound, internal wisdom is a gift, an inherent part of your miraculous design. You are not just a mind thinking or a body acting. You are an integrated whole with a deep intelligence woven into the very fabric of your being, operating beneath the surface of your awareness, always working for your highest good. As you breathe deeply, feeling the gentle rhythm of your heart, allow a sense of profound trust to settle within you. Trust in the quiet wisdom of your body, in the silent work of your inner architects and the harmonious dance of your microverse. They are endlessly supporting you, nurturing your health, and guiding your journey. Sleep soundly now, connected to the incredible universe within you. May the awareness of this second mind bring you a deeper sense of peace, a comforting assurance that even in the deepest slumber, the intricate wisdom of your body continues its gentle, profound work, watching over you, guiding you softly towards the dawn. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you next time.